Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to stop an automatic car. This will be a very simple beginner driving lesson, and I'll be showing you how to properly, safely, and effectively apply the brakes through the brake pedal and bring your automatic car to a complete stop. Now let's get right to it. I'm going to take the camera. I'm actually going to show you the pedal area, and we'll go over my little system for properly stopping an automatic car. All right, so if we take the camera, we're going to bring it down here. Now I opened up the sunroof to sort of allow some extra light in so that you can hopefully see as well as possible down there. So as you can see, we have the two pedals on the right hand side over here, and I'm using my right foot to operate both the gas pedal and the brake pedal. Now when it comes to bringing an automatic car to a stop, what you want to do is you want to focus on the brake pedal, okay? This is the pedal that will allow you to stop an automatic car, okay? And then we'll go over putting it in park and so forth. All right, so the idea when you are stopping an automatic car is to press the brake pedal down at a level that will bring the car to a stop. Okay, so you don't want to continually press it more and more and more, because then you're going to end up slamming on the brakes. And if you need to slam on the brakes to prevent an accident, that's what you should do. But if you want to brake smoothly, then what you have to do is focus on braking at a level that makes sense for bringing the car to a stop without over pressing it. So for instance, if I was driving at a slow pace, I would probably only have to press the brake pedal down that much and hold it there, and the car would come to a stop. Okay, if I was driving a little bit faster, I would have to press the brake pedal down a little bit more. Now, the more that you press the brake pedal down, the further that you press it down, the faster that the car is going to come to a stop, because the more braking pressure, the more pressure and braking power is being applied to the actual driving system, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to focus on a few simple things. First and foremost, I'm going to put my foot down on the brake. I'm going to put the car into drive. We will actually put the parking brake down, and what we're going to start off doing, this is the first strategy to learn how much you need to brake, is to take your foot, and right now it's fully pressed down on the brake pedal. So as you can see, the car is not moving right now. If I show you the outside, the car is not moving at all. So what we need to do is we need to just release the brake pedal just a little bit, move forward very slowly, and then push the brake pedal down again. So I'm going to release it, move forward, and then press it down again. So as you can see, watch when I press it down. I'm pressing it a little bit, and then I'm holding it there. I'm not going further, okay? So I'm releasing it, the car's moving forward, pressing the brake, and holding it in this position as the car comes to a stop, okay? Now I'm gonna do the same thing, but I'm gonna press the brake pedal down a little bit further. Release it, the car's moving forward, I'm gonna press the brake pedal down a bit further. The car came to a more aggressive stop. So check this out. If I show you the outside, I'm releasing the brake pedal, I'm moving forward. Now I'm pressing the brake pedal down just a bit, and as you can see, the car is coming to a nice slow stop. Okay, and I'm pressing the brake pedal and holding it there. I'm not continually going further, pressing it and holding it there. Now I'm gonna do the same thing, but I'm going to press the brake pedal and hold it down just a little bit further. So I release the brake pedal, we're moving forward. Now I'm going to press the brake pedal down a bit further. As you saw right there, it came to a little bit of a more aggressive stop. And you saw it because the camera sort of bounced forward, so it was a more aggressive stop. So the goal is this, basically. I'm going to just put the car in park. The goal is to just press the brake pedal down to wherever you need to press it to and hold it there. The car will come to a stop. Now remember, your primary concern is stopping safely and not getting into an accident. So if you have to slam on the brakes, then you slam on the brakes, because that's the main concern. But if you're not at risk for getting into an accident and you want to brake smoothly, then you press the brake pedal down a little bit, just enough, and then you hold it there and the car will come to a stop. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to press the gas pedal down ever so slightly to drive a little bit faster, and then I'll press the brake pedal down just to show you that I have to press it down a bit more. So the car is in drive, okay? I'm just going to press the gas pedal. We are actually moving a little bit faster right now. Not really fast, but just a little bit faster. I'm going to go to the next curbed area over here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to press the brake pedal down. And as you could see, hopefully you could see that, I had to press it down much more. When I was just releasing the brake pedal and I was driving slowly, I only had to press it down about that much. But when I was pressing the gas pedal, I had to press it down a little bit more, okay? So once again, I'm just gonna go ahead and press the, let's let the camera focus. Let's press the gas pedal, okay? We're moving forward at a little bit of a faster pace. Press the brake pedal down and the car comes to a stop. So what I was doing is taking my foot and just pressing the brake pedal down and holding it there, and the car comes to a stop. Now, here's the trick when it comes to stopping the car, an automatic car, effectively. The trick is that practice makes perfect. The first time that you brake, it's probably going to jolt you forward or throw you backwards, or you're going to have to slam on the brakes at the last second. It's just the way that it is. But as you get more and more practice, you learn the estimation. So braking is all about estimation. So you learn that, going 30 kilometers an hour, you have to press the brake pedal down this much. But when you're going 50 kilometers an hour, or let's say 70 kilometers an hour, you have to press the brake pedal down a little bit more. So you'll learn those little pressure spots for the brake pedal. And that's basically it. The rest is very straightforward. Once you've brought the car to a stop, when you want to park it, put the gear selector in park, engage your parking brake, and you're good to go. I don't have to show you that stuff because I'm assuming that you know that. And that's basically it. In this video, I have shown you how to stop an automatic car. I've shown you basically how to use the braking system to bring an automatic car to a stop safely and smoothly. Practice makes perfect. Keep practicing and you'll be good to go. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.